6. Mixing head quick cleaning and backwashing process.
Most of the clogging in the polyurethane injector occurs on the mixing head. It is there that the isocyanate and polyol are mixed. Once they mix, chemical reaction starts in about 10 seconds. It takes around 1 minute to achieve full foam expansion, gel point, and then hardening begins. From this point on, the foam mix no longer dissolves, not even with solvent, what may cause clogging. That's why that quick cleaning process is so important.
Attention! When injecting a panel in multiple steps or injection points, quickly clean the mixing head every time you stop injecting for more than 15 seconds.
Be aware. Within 10 seconds the foam begins to react, and within 1 minute the reaction is over. Quick cleaning process. Hold the mixing head, place your hand off the trigger. Open the air ball valve. Then open and close the solvent ball valve. Keep the air open for a few seconds to dry the solvent. Close the air ball valve.
Attention! If you cease or stop the Pumer PP307 activity for a longer period of time, such as a weekend, hold air longer than 48 hours, it is necessary to backwash the mixing head.
Backwash. When the air is open, it goes through all the internal holes of the mixing head. The air meets the solvent and overcomes the isocyanate and polyol mixture check valve, initiating the cleaning of the whole circuit. Cleaning is very efficient because it starts at the tip of the trigger needles and returns through all the internal channels of the head.
Let's practice.
At the end of the day, backwash the mixing head to avoid crystallization of product in the internal chambers. With the valve closed, remove the isocyanate hose. Remove the polyol hose. Connect in place of the isocyanate valve the small red hose that comes with your injector. Do the same with the yellow hose in place of the polyol valve. Open the air valve of the injector. Position the backwash hoses in a plastic container and partially open the air valve. Trigger the trigger, open the solvent valve and cap the injector nozzle to force the air and solvent mixture out through the backwash hoses. Close the solvent valve. Close the air valve. 10 to 15 seconds of the air and solvent mixture are sufficient for a perfect cleaning of the internal canals of the head.
Attention! Backwashing is only effective if you have not left your injector stationary and dirty for several days. If on the contrary, the cleaning has to be mechanical and will give you a lot of work besides the risk of damaging the head. Polyplast and polygel. Polyurethane has developed and markets the non-flammable polyol solvent and the non-reactive lubricants polyplast and polygel to facilitate cleaning and maintenance of Pumer equipment.
After the backwash operation, the hose in the injection head must be cleaned with polysolvent lubricated with polygel. Once you cleaned the parts, especially the isocyanate valves, reconnect the injection head and the hose. This way your PP307 injector will be ready for use in the next working day, Monday or next work. Be aware, the injector should not stand still for more than 7 days. If this is the case, periodically carry out the product circulation process. Video number 7.
Attention! If you do not wash the isocyanate hose valve, even if it is closed, there will be the formation of insoluble polyurethane crystals at the valve's outlet, slow reaction of isocyanate with air humidity. To avoid the reaction of isocyanate residues in air humidity, wash the isocyanate valve with polysolve. These crystals will cause clogging.
clean the orifice of the isocyanate valve. Remember that even with the valve closed, the outlet orifice of the isocyanate will be exposed to moist air and will generate polyuric crystals. Fill the valve's opening with polygel. Also fill the orifice of the isocyanate connection in the injection head. Attach the isocyanate hose to the injection head.
Attention! Polygel, an isocyanate non-reactive and lubricating paste, fills up the airspace, avoiding possible reactions of isocyanate due to moisture. It also lubricates the isocyanate needle.
Store the hose connected to the injection head.
Watch the video number 7, Isocyanate and Polyol Circulation in Pumer pp 307.